Hello everyone, in this video we'll explore how to prepare data for analysis using Python. Data preparation is the backbone of any successful data science project. Today we'll cover adding index fields, correcting misleading values, encoding categories, standardizing data, and identifying outliers. So data preparation is the process of cleaning, organization, and transforming and formatting raw data into structured format that is suitable for analysis or modeling. So here we will talk about how to add an index field using Python, how to change misleading fields values using Python, how to re-express categorical field using Python, how to standardize numeric fields using Python, and how to identify outliers using Python. So first we have how to add an index field using Python. Indexing is in data preparation is essential for unique identifying each row in your datasets. In Python pandas, you can add an custom index or modify the existing ones. So for example, we can add an incremental index column using range, and we can reset the index with reset index for reindexing after the data manipulation. Let's look at the code. So here we have a code to add an index field. So first we will import pandas as pd, and here we have a sample data with some name and some age, and we'll put it in a data frame and then index, adding an index to column. So we are here adding the index and then printing the data frame. So let's run the code. It's taking time. So yeah, here's the output with name, age, and index of all the names. So let's go to the next topic, and that is how to change misleading field values using Python. So sometimes datasets have misleading values like NA or invalid entries. Here's how can you fix them using Python. For instance, if NA represent missing ages, you can replace it with none. For example, replace values with replace keyword and use conditional statement for correction. So here let's look at a code. So let's run it. It is a code in which we had a data frame in which we added the age, and here is a misleading value, that is NA. So we'll replace the misleading values. So here let's print it. So you can see here that the misleading value is replaced with none. Next, up next we have how to re-express categorical field values using Python. So categorical data like male and female needs to be re-expressed as numbers for machine learning models. Here how to encode them. So for example, use map for label encoding, and you can use pd.getDummies for one-hot encoding. Let's look at the code. So this is the code to re-express categorical field values using Python. So first we have if gender in df column, and then we made a map in which like the gender male is 1 and female is 0. So now next we will print. So let's run the code. So we have this output. Next we have one-hot encoding, in which we will use getDummies. We will use getDummies to re-express categorical field values using Python. So here let's run the code. So yeah, it is run. Up next we have how to standardize numeric fields using Python. So standardizing numeric field ensures all features are in same scale, improving model performance. In Python we can use standard scalar from sklearn. So let's look at the code. So here from sklearn we will first import sklearn standard scalar from sklearn, and then standardizing age column. So scalar is equals to standard scalar, and then we have the df with scalar dot fit transform with age in it. So let's run it. So we get the output with age standardized. Up next we have how to identify outliers using Python. So outliers can skew your analysis and must be identified. Let's use the IQR method to detect them. So here is the IQR method. So first we have to calculate the IQR, and then we will detect the outliers. So let's run it. So here we get the output. So you can also visualize outliers using box plot. So here we are using a box plot. Like first we import the matplotlib.py plot as the plot, and then we will plot kind equals to box and plot dot show. So now let's run the code. So here we can see as we can identify the outliers using the box plot. Identifying and handling outliers ensures accurate and reliable results. So that's it for this video, and that's a wrap. With these data preparation techniques, you can ensure clean and well structured datasets for analysis or modeling. Thank you.